Namaskar. I am Deepthi Vavilpalli, scientist, Krishi Vigyana Kendra, Venkatramanagudam. Horti news from Dr.YSRHU studio.
This is Mayuri Koripalli, Technical Officer to Director of Extension, Venkatramanagudam.
Babu Jagjeevan Ram birthday anniversary was celebrated at Administrative Office, all the constituted colleges, research stations and Krishi Vigyana Kendras of Dr.YSRHU on 5th April 2022. Dr. T. Janakram Garu, Honorable Vice Chancellor and other university officers paid floral tributes at Administrative Office.
On 14th April 2022, floral tributes were paid to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Father of Indian Constitution, on his birth anniversary. At Administrative Office, all the constituent colleges and polytechnics, research stations and Krishi Vigyana Kendras.
Dr. YSRHU received PG Scholarship 2021 Award under Program Category Horticulture and Forestry from Honorable Union Minister for Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Sri Narendra Singh Tomar ji during Vice Chancellor Conference at New Delhi on 13th April 2022. Dr. T. Janakram Garu, Honorable Vice Chancellor, received this award on behalf of Dr. YSR Horticulture University.
On 11th April, Dr. YSR Horticultural University has entered into an MOU with the National Horticultural Research and Development Foundation, New Delhi, and on 13th April, an MOU was signed with ICR, Indian Institute of Vegetable Research, Varanasi.
All the chairmen of advisory committees for PG and PhD students have attended the online meeting organized by Dean of PG Studies, Dr. YSRHU, on 1st April 2022. The Dean of PGs interacted with all chairmen of advisory committee, discussed on research works to be allotted to PG and PhD students and suggested to maintain required germplasm in research plots.
On 1st and 11th April 2022, orientation and interaction meeting with the newly recruited teaching faculty was conducted at College of Horticulture, Anantarajpeta and College of Horticulture, Chinnatrappi, respectively. The respective associate deans and all the senior faculty members explained them with academic rules and regulations to be followed in the college.
On 7th April 2022, Dr. T. Janakram Garu, Honorable Vice Chancellor Dr. YSRHU, issued Certificate of Appreciation to the NSS volunteers of College of Horticulture Venkatramanagudam for rendering their services in organizing the International Conference on Orchids from 25th to 27th March 2022 at YSR Horticulture University, Venkatramanagudam.
On 7th and 8th April 2022, Zonal Research Heads Rayalaseema Zone and Coastal Zone 1 organized Pre-Zonal Research and Extension Advisory Council meeting at Citrus Research Station Tirupati and Horticultural Research Station Kovvuru, respectively. All the heads of the research stations and scientists working under the Rayalaseema Zone and Coastal Zone 1 have participated and presented various ongoing research projects and worked on reports for the year 2021 to 22 and tentative technical program of work for the year 2022 to 23.
Annual Action Plan meetings of KVKs virtually organized by ICR Atari Zone 10 Hyderabad from 6th to 8th April 2022. Dr. B. Srinivasal Garu, Director of Extension, along with all heads of KVKs and SMS under Dr. YSRHU have participated. All the heads of KVKs presented their respective action plan for the year 22-23.
On 8th April 2022, Krishi Vigyana Kendra Venkatramanagudam scientists participated as resource persons in training on cultivation and post-harvest handling of cashew and rugospiraling whitefly management in oil palm at Nimmalagudam and Ramantapur village of Koyalgudam Mandal, which was conducted by Horticulture Department, Andhra Pradesh.
Demonstration of Disa app was conducted by the NSS cell of College of Horticulture Venkatramanagudam with the support from Women Police on 12th and 13th April 2022 under the chairmanship of Associate Dean.
On 13th April 2022, Krishi Vigyana Kendra Periyavaram scientists visited the Anganwadi Center and created awareness to women on nutritional and educational aspects. Later on, visited acid lime and groundnut fields and interacted with the farmers.
Krishi Vigyana Kendra Vanipenta scientists had conducted follow-up visit under CFLD oilseed Sesamum variety YLM 66 at Somireddipalli village of Maidukuru Mandal and conducted crop cutting experiment at the farmer's field and recorded the farmer's expected yield of 5 quintals per acre.
On 8th April 2022, anti-ragging awareness camp was organized at College of Horticulture, Chinnatrappi for the students. Circle Inspector and Sub-Inspector of Police, Kandukuru were the chief guests of honor for the camp.
Krishi Vigyana Kendra Pandirmamadi scientists had visited banana fields at Timmapuram village of Addatigala Mandal and distributed the Pseudomonas fluorescens talc formulation to the beneficiary farmers as part of frontline demonstration on integrated pest and disease management in banana under tribal subplan.
On 11th April 2022, Krishi Vigyana Kendra Vonipenta scientists have conducted diagnostic visit in sesamum and cotton fields at Somireddipalli village of B. Mattam Mandal.
Second year BSc Horticulture students celebrated Freshers Day on 1st April 2022 for the newly joined first year students of BSc Horticulture under the chairmanship of Dr. M. Madhavi Garu, Associate Dean, Dr. T. Janakiram Garu, Honorable Vice Chancellor Dr. YSRHU attended as chief guest of the program and addressed the students. Dr. A.S. Padmavatama Garu, Dean of Horticulture, Dr. YSRHU, teaching staff, non-teaching staff and students have participated in the program.
On 2nd April 2022, Krishi Vigyana Kendra Venkatramanagudam scientists have conducted diagnostic visit to seed rearing and grow up ponds located at Jagannathpuram village, Tadepalli Gudam Mandal and observed mixed bacterial infection in murel seed and control measures were recommended to the farmers.
College of Horticulture Anantarajpeta teaching staff had visited the chilli, brinjal, nannari and muskmelon crops at Chitvelu Mandal of Kadapa district on 5th April 2022 and observed pest and diseases and suggested various remedial measures to farmers.
On 13th April 2022, Krishi Vigyana Kendra Perivaram scientists have conducted diagnostic visit in acid lime, Goa and marigold crops in Palakonda Satram village, Venkatagiri Mandal and diagnosed citrus canker and mealybug infection in acid lime and Goa and suggested remedial measures to the farmer.
Dr. K.S. Johar Reddy, EO Tirumal Tirupati Devasthanam, Special Cell to CM Andhra Pradesh and Dr. V. Padmanabha Reddy, Honorable Vice Chancellor Sri Venkateswara Veterinary University, visited and inspected the ongoing activities at Dry Flower Technology Skill Development Training Center at Citrus Research Station, Tirupati on 9th April 2022. During the interaction, women expressed their gratitude to TDT and Dr. YSRHU and informed to EO TDT that they are earning 10,000 to 25,000 per month with the collaborative dry flower technology project.
On 7th April 2022, University officers Dr. A. Padmavatama Garu, Dean of Horticulture and Dr. A. Sujata Garu, Dean of Student Affairs of YSR Horticultural University visited College of Horticulture Chinlatrappi and gave suggestions for the smooth conduct of academic and elite activities.
BSc Agriculture students from College of Agriculture, University of Agriculture Sciences, Dharwad, Karnataka State visited Citrus Research Station, Tirupati under Exposure Visit Program on 2nd April 2022. Scientists have explained the research station activities and dry flower technology activities.
On 12th April 2022, farmers from Giddaluru and Ongolu had an exposure visit to Krishi Vigyana Kendra, Vonipenta. Scientists have addressed the farmers regarding the Krishi Vigyana Kendra activities and the extension activities implemented by them.
Vice Chancellor to village activities. On 13th April 2022, Horticulture Research Station Venkatramanagudam scientists had conducted Farmers Interaction Program in adopted village Ramannagudam on different aspects of cultivation of horticulture crops.
These are the programs undertaken by various institutions under Dr. YSR Horticultural University. Dhanyavad.